Hi, my name is Jim, and I'm a production supervisor here at Sargento Cheese.
Hi, my name is Wendy, and I'm a heavy-duty utility worker here at Sargento Cheese. Part of my job every day is to make sure that when we run a blend, we run the right blend.
So, today we're going to be producing a delicious 4-cheese blend that you may even want to use at dinner tonight on a quesadilla. So this blend is going to consist of 4 cheeses, 20% of cheese A, 20% of cheese B, 20% of cheese C, and 40% of cheese D. These cheeses come in 40-pound block sizes. So here's the question. How many of each of these blocks of cheese are needed to make this blend? To produce this blend, you need 1 block of cheese A, 1 block of cheese B, 1 block of cheese C, and 2 blocks of cheese D. These 5 blocks are considered a set.
We just got word that your favorite store ordered 20,000 pounds of this product. So the question is, how many blocks of each cheese do we need to fulfill the order for this delicious 4-cheese blend?
To fill this order, we're going to need 4,000 pounds of cheese A, 4,000 pounds of cheese B, 4,000 pounds of cheese C, and 8,000 pounds of cheese D. We also have cheese that our slice department makes, but not able to be sliced due to its size. We call this trim, and we can use it at 10% of the blend. How many pounds of cheese A trim would be used for each set, and what would be the remainder of cheese A to use?
That's great, Jim. But really, isn't there an easier way we can do this?
Wendy, I know you can figure this one out. During the production of 10 sets, which is 400 pounds, 40 pounds of trim could be added to eliminate having to cut off 4 pounds from each block. We try to make the work as easy as possible.
Let's face it, we all make mistakes. Here at Sargento, we use math to fix ours. Let's say an employee accidentally adds 2 blocks of cheese A and only 1 block of cheese D. The order calls for 10,000 pounds of this product. How much extra of cheese A did we use?
Now that we've identified the problem, how are we going to fix this? How are we going to fix this to get the correct percentages to make the blend?
So, Jim, after the mistake has been fixed, what other impacts does this have on a production line?
Well, Wendy, this is no small mistake. We had to double the order of this product that was asked for, and we also had to open 1,440 packages, each skid, and 12 of these skids to fix that mistake.